Once I met a young man, his eyes ablaze with passion. Oh, he was ready for the show. His father asked him, son, what will you become? What you gonna do with your life? The young man said, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I do know one thing. Life without a dream ain't worth living at all. Life without a dream, life without a dream, life without a dream ain't worth living at all. Once I met a gentleman with a big house and a fancy car. His father asked him, son, what are you gonna do with your life? The gentleman said, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I do know dreaming without living. Oh God, what a worthless dream. Oh, dreaming without living, dreaming without living, dreaming without living. What a worthless dream. I met a wise man by the sea, blue sky and white cloud in his eyes, all I see. And I asked the wise man, so what are you gonna do with your life? He gently whispered, I am only dreaming like a bird on a tree. This is when dreaming ends and living begins. Don't you see? Don't you see? Don't you see? Life without a dream ain't worth living. Dreaming without living, oh God, what a worthless dream. Dreams and living begins. I met a sad man, in his eyes a lonely tree, frozen in time, that's all I see. The doctor asked him, John, what brings you sadness and sorrow like there's no tomorrow? He said, I'm lost in the darkness and shadow of a broken dream. Doctor, can you give me a pill to end this life? The tears fell down from his eyes as he screamed a silent, dismal life without a dream ain't worth living. Dreaming without living, oh God, what a worthless dream. Dreams and dreams and dreams and living. I woke from a dream by your side, blue sky and white cloud in your eyes, all I see. Time stands still, it's only you, it's only you.